what I'm going to try to do is show you is when you get these folding mirrors, you have to unplug it from some type of security guard box. And here it is, guys. I'm going to try to do the best I can. Here's your fuse box here, right up under the dash. This this is where I'm filming from. Okay, you can see all your fuses and so forth all there. But I had to bring this dash down. It just makes it a lot easier to get inside there. So once you get inside, very dark in here. It's really tight. Okay, you see that metal strip there? You're going to see a little black box. There it is. That's where you're going to pull your two cables out of the safeguard. As you can look right now, they're empty. That's because I had to pull them out and put them into this little dummy plug until I got done using that OB2, I think Genie they call it, and then you plug it back in. Problem is I forgot to plug them back in. But since I'm coming out here and I'm going to put it back in, I thought I'd give you guys a shot of what this thing looks like and where it's at. Right now I got my seat all the way back and it's still very tight in here. But this is just to show you where this thing is at. So I'll give you another shot. There's your fuse box there. And as you keep continuing to the left, you're going to see a metal bracket. And voila. See that little black box there with the two plugs out? That's it. So now I'm going to try to do it with one hand to show you. I'm going to pull it out of this little okay, guys, there's a little dummy plug right there. It kind of looks like a turtle. But I'm just going to pull the two cables out of that and plug it back into that box. But that's how you do it. As soon as you get your mirrors installed, already on, you're going to pull those two cables. Let me see if I can grab it. It's hard in here. It's real. Okay, hope you can get a better look at it. There they are. You see the two, these two cables here that are plugged into the dummy cord or the dummy box here. You're going to pull these two out of this little box. And you're going to plug them right back into the security guard box. Right up there. So I'll get back to you later on after I get it installed, just to give you guys an idea. It's kind of tough because it's so cramped under here, and I got the seat all the way back. So I'll get them in and then get back to you guys. Okay, guys, I'm just going to wait for the camera to get a little bit in focus. But you can see the two cable wires that I just pulled loose. Kind of go in there a little bit tough. That's just to get them out. And here's what it was. You plug it back into this. See what I mean? It's just a dummy plug. That's all. It doesn't really do anything. It just keeps it safe, so that way you'll be able to download, because that's a safeguard in there. Back in that big black box. So we'll keep you from uploading any material to go into your vehicle. Then you, after you're all done loading with the OB2 Genie, you pull the two plugs out here and put them back in that little box. So I'll show you again later. Bye. Okay, guys,